Cairns, Queensland, Australia. There's something about the tropics that always draws me in. The warmth, the pace, the beauty, it just makes me feel at home. And while we're currently far away from home, today we're going a little bit further. The destination, Fitzroy Island. The 45-minute ferry ride encourages a slower pace. Just relax and enjoy the views. Protected above and below the water as national parks, the tagline here is where the rainforest meets the reef. And sitting in between the two is one spectacular destination, Fitzroy Island Resort. There's nothing pretentious about this place. It's exactly what we expected and were hoping for. You see, this resort is designed to melt away worry and inspire wonder. It's meant to be part of the environment, and from any vantage point, it's apparent. And while the elegant and relaxing rooms provide a perfect ending for the day, it's what happens outside that we're all really here for. So, of course, we'll start with the food. Any meal of the day is centered around local produce and sustainable practices. At Zaffer Restaurant, it begins with an incredible breakfast buffet. And at Foxy's Bar and Grill, it's all about the barramundi, a cocktail, and this beautiful view. And a view like this invites adventure. I think it's about time we jump in the water. Being under the water and seeing this beautiful reef got me thinking about the effects humans can have on the ecosystem. Since this resort is also keen on the topic, it's home to a turtle rehabilitation center focusing on protecting sea turtles and spreading conservational awareness. It's remarkable to visit a wild turtle like Jill's during her recovery, but saddening to know that she's only here because of human interference. How many others are being affected by our neglect? Judging by the amount of trash on the wall, it seems we could all do a bit better. As I strolled along the trails and beaches here, it was clear how much this location inspires sustainable responsibility. It's pristine and should be kept that way. Let's spread that ethos around a little bit. Eventually, the evening begins to roll in, and how fortunate are we to be invited on a sunset cruise to wrap up our day. It just brings it all together. The air, the wind, the waves, the earth, the sun, the joy, the peace, and the love. This just feels like home.